Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how can you spy on your competition's LinkedIn ads. It's very easy to do. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this, and you can spy on your competition or any public LinkedIn company page. You can see their ads, everything. All right, so here I am logged into my LinkedIn, and what I want to do is just search for your competition's company page. So let's say I'll go to Dell just to demonstrate, and you want to make sure, yes, go to their LinkedIn company page, not their personal LinkedIn profiles. And then here's the change, because I've made a similar video in the past on my channel. The ad section used to be right here on this box or in the sidebar, but there's no ads tab now. But if you scroll down, look at this right here. So here are the ads, and I do like this new layout because I'm able to see. If I click on images, I'm able to see what type of images my competition is using. I can click on videos and I can see what type of video content they're using. Very powerful. And then most importantly, if I click on ads, now I can see what type of ads they're running. So I can see the copy they're using, I can see the creative, the images, and if they're running any video ads, yeah, here we go. So they are running video ads for XP15. I can see the copy. So see how powerful this is? We can identify their copy, their offer, their campaigns, their images and videos. And obviously, you know, do not just copy this, right? You want to take inspiration from this and maybe like take notes and then use it appropriately in your marketing. Another cool thing is we don't just see the ads. If I click on learn more, it's going to open up. Let's go to that landing page, and here's the landing page they're using. So not only we can see the ads they're using, but also we can click and go to their pages. And one thing I would suggest is if they have an opt-in, an email box, subscribe, like enter your email, and then you'll start seeing emails from them. So you'll be able to see their landing pages, the design and offer and everything. And also if you enter your email, guess what? You'll be able to see if they're using any email sequences. So this is very, very powerful. It's all public, free information. For example, on Dell page, they are using Facebook Pixel. So I'm pretty sure they're going to retarget me on Facebook now. But it's all good. And here are other ads they are using on their page, right? So if I was you, make a list of your competition, their LinkedIn company pages, go to them and then look at the different ad units, ad campaigns they're running, take notes, and maybe you can use that in your future campaigns. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.